Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most exciting luxury electric cars expected to arrive in the coming years, the 2027 Audi Grandsphere. Audi has always been known for blending cutting-edge technology with premium comfort, and the Grandsphere could take that formula to a whole new level. From its bold exterior styling to its futuristic cabin, advanced electric powertrain, and expected pricing, there's plenty to talk about. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore everything we know so far about this incredible luxury EV. Let's begin with the front design. The first thing you'll notice is the large illuminated Audi rings that instantly grab your attention. Instead of a traditional grille, the Grandsphere features a sleek hexagonal panel that gives the front end a clean and modern appearance, while still maintaining Audi's signature identity. The ultra-slim matrix LED headlights stretch toward the fenders, and are connected by a stylish light bar that creates a dramatic look, especially at night. Sharp body lines, sculpted air intakes, and subtle orange accents on the lower bumper give the car a sporty yet elegant personality. Every angle has been carefully designed to improve both style and aerodynamic efficiency. Moving to the side, the Grandsphere has a long wheelbase and flowing roofline that give it the proportions of a true luxury grand tourer. Flush door handles, frameless windows, and large aerodynamic alloy wheels help create a smooth and futuristic profile. The two-tone paint finish, featuring a bright white body with a glossy black roof, adds an extra layer of sophistication. Every detail is designed to reduce wind resistance, while giving the sedan a premium appearance that stands out from traditional luxury cars. At the rear, Audi continues the futuristic theme with a full-width LED taillight that stretches across the entire width of the vehicle. The lighting signature is clean, modern, and instantly recognizable. A subtle integrated spoiler improves airflow, while the sculpted rear bumper and elegant diffuser complete the design. Rather than using aggressive styling, Audi focuses on clean surfaces and precise details that give the Grandsphere a timeless and upscale look. Step inside, and you'll immediately understand why this car is generating so much excitement. The cabin feels more like a luxury lounge than a conventional automobile. A massive curved digital display spans almost the entire width of the dashboard, seamlessly combining the driver's display, navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls into one elegant screen. Premium cream leather covers the seats, while genuine wood trim and soft-touch materials create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Ambient lighting flows through the dashboard, doors, and center console, allowing passengers to customize the cabin with different colors and moods. Spacious seating, advanced climate control, and a nearly silent electric driving experience make every journey feel relaxing and luxurious. Technology is expected to be one of the Grandsphere's biggest strengths. Audi is likely to equip the vehicle with the latest driver assistance features, AI-powered voice controls, over-the-air software updates, advanced parking assistance, and a premium surround sound system. A next-generation head-up display and augmented reality navigation could further improve the driving experience by providing important information directly in the driver's line of sight. Under the body, the 2027 Audi Grandsphere is expected to ride on Audi's advanced premium platform electric architecture. A dual-motor all-wheel drive setup will likely provide excellent traction and smooth power delivery in all weather conditions. Early reports suggest the driving range could comfortably exceed 400 kilometers on a single charge, with some versions potentially offering even more depending on battery size. Thanks to instant electric torque, the top model may accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 4 to 5 seconds, combining luxury with exciting performance. Fast charging capability is also expected, allowing the battery to recover a significant amount of range in a short charging session. Although Audi has not officially confirmed every specification, many industry experts believe the Grandsphere will compete directly with other premium electric luxury sedans. The expected starting price is around $120,000, while higher trim levels with additional technology and luxury features could easily exceed $150,000. Audi is expected to officially unveil the Grandsphere during the second half of 2027, with customer deliveries likely beginning in 2028, depending on production schedules and global demand. The 2027 Audi Grandsphere represents Audi's vision for the future of luxury transportation. It combines elegant styling, advanced electric performance, premium craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology into one impressive package. If Audi delivers on these expectations, the Grandsphere could become one of the most desirable luxury electric vehicles on the market. What do you think about the 2027 Audi Grandsphere? Is this the future of luxury electric sedans? Or would you choose another premium EV instead? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates on luxury cars, future EVs, and the world's most exciting automotive innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.